Hi guys, well here I'm just making a short video to tell you how the birds are getting on with the move, and just to show you how the little dove is getting on. She's actually adapting very well to everything. On the first day she was really freaked out. She just wouldn't leave me alone. She sat on my head basically all day. She was afraid to be away from me. And then on the second day from there on, she just kind of settled in and got down to business as normal, and the rest of the birds did as well. I'll show you some clips of what they're all getting up to. They've been having to spend a little bit more time in cages and then taking turns to go out and walk around, because obviously this isn't my house that I'm in now at the moment. So there has to be more restrictions on them, and they don't have as much space as they had before. But it's all just a temporary arrangement, and they actually all seem pretty happy. As you can see, pigeons are very loving and affectionate. Here's a little clip of Mrs. Pigeon preening Mr. Pigeon. I know it looks like it's the other way around, like a male preening a female, but Mrs. Pigeon is just really big. She's a slightly different breed to her husband, and she's like 2 to 3 times the size of him. So it looks a little bit funny, but they're a very, very cute couple. Well, that's all I wanted to show you, so hopefully I'll have a couple of videos up over the next few days. Got quite a few stories, short stories from Saki, Poe and Kipling, and I also have one in Irish, so I'll see you all soon.